Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And, from time to time we have to talk about the fact that there's a lot of fake videos out there that talk about things that do not exist or not even in the plans. One of them that I get all the time, and actually recently there's been kind of a surge in these videos. So a lot of people have been sending me links of, well, look at this, Windows 11. You said there would never be a Windows 11, and look at these people showing us Windows 11 and demonstrating it. Well, the thing is there is no Windows 11. Those are all fake videos, all there to try to make views and to, basically tell you something that is actually fake. So we are in Windows 10 first. A lot of people have been saying, well, yeah, but Windows 10 will eventually need to be replaced. Windows 11 will be something. Remember, guys, Windows 10 is not like the past. It's not like Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows XP, where it was limited. The number of upgrades to the system were limited. A lot of people don't understand that there's a limit to the updates that were on the way. Basically, because of the way that these Windows operating systems were conceived, you can't update them forever because you're just adding layers over layers over layers, which is not the case in Windows 10. Windows 10, every major feature update is its own thing. It would be like having Windows 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 if you want. But it still is Windows 10 because at its core it still looks like Windows 10, works like Windows 10. But it adds features and it adds things that are not layered over, but just, it just reworks the settings, reworks the way that, certain services work. So it's Windows 10 and it has new features and its structure, the way that it is, and that's why they call it Windows as a Service, is just making it more useful to have a operating system that would evolve over time. A lot of the videos that I've been showing Windows 11, supposedly, is very simple. They are videos that actually show you things that are coming in the Sun Valley update, which is the interface update coming up later this year. So the second version of Windows will, this year, will have a lot of new features. And we'll have a revamp of the interface. And people have been showing that and saying, hey, that's Windows 11. One of the surges also in Windows 11 fake videos is the fact that a lot of people are talking about the wording. So Microsoft has been using in the past few weeks the next generation of Windows. That has been a phrase that's been actually used quite a lot by different people at Microsoft. That of course tends to have people saying, oh, well, then there is a new version of Windows coming up. Think about it. Every time you get a big feature update, it's a new version of Windows you're getting. It's as simple as that. It doesn't need to have a new number. Actually, for years, I've been saying it. If you're not to have Windows 11 or 12 or whatever, why not just brand it as Windows? Stop putting a number in front of it. This is Windows. That's it. And of course, 21H1 is still Windows 10. And 22H1 and 21H2 and 22H2. These are all in the works also. Next year, there are versions coming up. Well, these are still Windows 10. So there is no Windows 11, and there is no need to have a new Windows because we're not working in the same way as in the past. A lot of the Windows 11 features also people have been showing up are features that actually are showing up because of the Windows 10X. And they're kind of showing, oh, look at that, Windows 11. No, it's Windows 10X. It's Windows 10X. So, and some videos also have kind of a mix of Windows 10X and Windows 21H2 with the new Sun Valley updates and things that we know right now. So don't be fooled. Windows 11 is still not a thing. There's still no plans at all for that. We are moving forward with Windows 10, but what they call the next generation of Windows is probably what Sun Valley is all about. A Windows that is kind of revamped the start menu and the different icons and the different, the settings page and all of that are kind of reworked to make it easier. It's kind of a paint job, if you want, a good paint job of Windows. And I think they're trying to focus a little more on it because they tend to understand that maybe we are at a point where Windows needs to be exciting again. They've used that phrase quite a few times also. They want to have Windows be something exciting. I see a lot of comments of people saying, well, Microsoft doesn't care about Windows anymore. Microsoft does care about Windows. It's still the second revenue generator. Remove the cloud services and Office. Windows is what's raking in still a few billions of dollars. When we look at the way, because we don't have the the numbers, the precise numbers of just Windows itself, but when we look at how they give out numbers, we still think that Windows is probably giving Microsoft at least $5-6 billion a year, if not more. So it's still a lot of money, and probably more. So we're gonna check that out, and you got to check that Windows is still something important. Plus, there's all the business users and other users out there with more than 1 billion machines, and we haven't had any numbers yet. But also something interesting is the fact that PC sales were up last year quite a lot. And that brings new machines. Millions of machines have been added to the Windows machines. That's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.